Alright guys, so we're packed up. This weekend's the Tampa Bay Poker Run. This is a 38 Donzi ZRC 2008 and she's all hooked up and ready to go. We got about a 4-hour drive and I'm going to be taking you guys along for the ride. We're going to be launching her tonight and I'll be giving you guys more of a close-up walk around once she's in the water. Alright guys, so we're off. Who the hell's calling me now? Can't talk right now. A little busy. Let's go. We're heading north, guys. Donzi's looking good. Alright guys, so I have to pick up DJ and look at this map. Alright, this is I'm not gonna be able to do a U-turn there, so I decided I'm gonna back it in the whole way. So you guys are gonna see how my backing up skills are right now. I'm sorry if the quality is not too good. I'm trying to focus more on not hitting the boat than recording, but how's that for my backing up skills, guys? I think this is the house right here. Alright guys, we made it. We made it to our first stop. We're in Delray Beach. It's about an hour away from my house. So we're picking up DJ. He's the owner of the boat. And we're gonna be headed to Tampa. But first I wanna inspect the trailer. Damn, I should have put a lock on this, but we were good. I want to inspect the trailer, make sure that everything's good in this little hour that we drove. Tires look good. Alright. Beautiful props, man. Alright guys, so she looks good. Look at that beauty. It's a beautiful boat right there. Thank you, brother. We're taking it to Tampa.
Oh, you go racing?
Yeah, poker run.
Good luck.
Thank you. If you guys ever wondered how much a speedboat takes in gas, you're about to find out. We're topping her off. She was completely empty. How many gallons is this boat?
The whole lot, 220 probably.
220 gallons. So
91 octane or higher required.
93 right now. So.
Definitely want to get these bad boys.
And what propellers are these again?
Mercury Racing, custom, only set in the world. Period.
1 of 1. 15.63 by 31. Rated for 600 horsepower.
He's specifically for this boat. But the truth is that the rated for even says 600. Mercury says the 825 a piece is not a problem for him.
825. What lower units are these?
134 gears, M2 SCX uppers, Flip Bravo ITS lowers with beefed up gears and shafts.
Nice. Let's see where it stopped us at. $250, 69 gallons. And I still think we got like another 150 gallons to go. So let's do the math, guys. And this is the second gas station we came to, because the first gas station, it ran out of gas. And we were only able to put 16 gallons. So can't wait to be on the water already. Alright, so he put 383 and she's still thirsty. So he's gonna put another 150 bucks. So do the math, guys. She's a thirsty girl. It's all about miles per gallon. Not miles per gallon, but miles per gallon. That's all that matters. Yeah, so a big loop. Nice cat right there. Skater. It looks like a skater. But you know, these cats, it's kind of hard to tell sometimes. It's like what you want to get. Let's wait our turn. Let's start taking off the ropes and stuff. We don't have any tie straps, but we are.
That guy in the boat over there wants to know if any of you guys speak English. Beautiful boat.
Yo hablo español. Solo español.
I'm from Miami.
That's what we...
This looks like the custom boat that used to always pull me over. You ever see the U.S. it had a name on it. I don't know. It's been a while. How many horsepower you got here?
825 each.
What's the speed capability?
We're gonna do 115 today.
You're gonna launch right now?
We're gonna launch right now.
We're gonna wait. I've been telling him, I've been out a few times on not quite this fast, but when you guys start your engines, the sounds that they make.
Oh yeah.
Blue Thunder, that was the name,
Blue Thunder, yeah.
the name of the Coast Guard.
Emergency brake on park. Thank you, bro. It's his. No, 575s board out. They're 825 each.
What board is that?
I have no idea what board it is. Since you guys are there, you mind helping me launch it? Alright, I'm gonna give you that rope. Yeah. Yeah, here. Oh, there she goes. Here. You can get it? Alright, I'm gonna back it up and touch the brake, alright? I got some help.
You got some help here?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Alright. We gotta put all the bags in the boat because the truck is sleeping here, and we're going straight to the marina after this. Alright. Let me put this here like this.
You want to put this in the hole?
Yeah. Alright.
It says things on the bottom. You scratch the boat. So you can't.
Whose thing?
No, it's got metal on the bottom.
Oh.
Anything in there, it doesn't matter. But
Look at this monster coming in. Let me get that rope. we're taking it easy.
Oh, where's the bridge? That way I can't remember.
Where's it that way? You can see it from the distance that way. Yeah. Guys, you already know, drop a like if you like this video. I know you like it, so drop a like, subscribe. It's gonna be a fun weekend, guys, so you're not gonna want to miss it. Stay tuned.